Hey guys, it's Himani. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here then welcome to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to style a lehenga in some very unique ways. So I had planned this video before Diwali but then got stuck with some other work commitments. But anyways, Shadi season is coming up and lehengas are forever in India. So I experimented with some of my lehenga skirts to create some very unique ethnic and indo-western looks. You can even use these hacks and ideas to create some last minute outfits when you don't know what to wear or want to wear something different. So I hope you enjoy watching this video and find it helpful. Please share and give a thumbs up if you do. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below, bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna start with this beautiful lehenga skirt that I got stitched from my mom's old sari. I've paired it with a blouse made from the same fabric, and now we're gonna drape a sari on the lehenga. I'm using this very pretty chiffon sari that you must have seen in my other videos as well. First, put aside some sari on your shoulder for pallu. And now, pleat the rest of the sari. Tuck these pleats in the waist of the lehenga like this. Now make neat pleats for pallu. Adjust on your shoulder and use a nice belt to cinch the waist. Add some statement earrings, nice shoes, and you are done. I also pulled down the shoulder straps of my blouse for a little modern twist. I think this drape gives such designer vibes, and the belt defines the waistline for a stunning silhouette. Super chic and glam. For the next look, I'm using the same lehenga but with a different top. Try pairing your lehenga with a sequin crop top or blouse like this. And now throw on a blazer. I'm using this basic structured black blazer. You can even experiment with different colors or patterns. Pull up the sleeves a little and complete the look with nice party earrings and strappy sandals. This is a very modern and smart fusion look, and the sequins make the outfit very glam and perfect for the holiday season. For another variation using the same sequin top, I just took off the blazer, changed the lehenga skirt for a different color combo. This one is so pretty with just a border. And now adding this beautiful matching dupatta. You can carry the dupatta in whatever way you want. I like to keep it simple, and yeah, we are done. I personally love this style. Simple yet classy. For the next style, switch the sequin top with a white shirt. I'm wearing this basic crisp white button-down shirt in an off-shoulder style like this. Tuck all the extra bottom fabric of the shirt in your bra or tube top for a cropped look. And now add a belt around your waist. I'm using this black leather belt for some edge. Roll up the sleeves and complete the look with some layered chunky neck pieces. I love how edgy and boho this outfit looks. Next, I'm wearing this off-white lehenga skirt with a basic tube top. And now I'm going to show you some dupatta hacks. For the first look, neatly fold the dupatta lengthwise like this and then place it on one of your shoulders in a way that the edge falls just below your chest. Now tuck this end of the dupatta in your tube top. It gives a beautiful one shoulder look. Now take the other end of the dupatta and make thin pleats. Tuck it in and we're all set with a very pretty and unique look. Add embroidered chappals, some layered neck pieces, and jhumkis to complete the outfit. For the next hack, bring both the ends of the dupatta in the front of your neck and cross them like this. Take them to the back and tie into a tight knot. Tuck some of the front fabric into your tube top to cover it properly. And our beautiful dupatta top is ready in no time. This, I think, is an amazing way to amp up any basic lehenga skirt and give it a modern twist. Just accessorize with some heavy earrings and you're good to go. For the last look, I'm first pairing the same lehenga with a yellow crop top. I've picked this mustard yellow silk crop top because it matches the border of the lehenga. Now trying this very pretty pearl belt to highlight the waistline. And finally topping it all with this gorgeous long jacket. As you can see, pairing a long flowy jacket with the lehenga takes the outfit to another level. I completed the look with these gorgeous chand balis, a big mang tika and some bangles. This was actually my Diwali look this year and I had even posted some pictures on Instagram. And that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. Please share and give a thumbs up if you did, and do let me know in the comment section below which of these looks was your favorite. Also, if you try out any of these styles and post your pictures on Instagram, do tag me and I'll happily repost your pictures on my Insta stories. And if you like my videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by either hitting that red subscribe button down below or by clicking on my picture in this small circle over here. Also the bell notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you later. Bye.